Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change the border color in a table in Microsoft Publisher. So get it started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show change the border color in a table. Firstly insert from table. Now going to the insert mode option. Now click for table option, then select from row and column. That is. Then you show change the border color table. Now select from a all border and click for a line color option. Now click for a black color and click for all border. That is. Then you show insert from a table. This table change the border color. Now select from a all table. Then click for a line color option. Then I choose color and click for a border option. Now click for all border. That is. Sorry. Then click for a line color, then click for a NSS color, then click for a border option, then click for all border. That is. Then you show color from table. Then again change color, then select from table. Now click for a line color option. Then you choose color and click for a border option, then click for all border. That is. Then you show change the border color in table in Microsoft Publisher is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.